This is a 5-pack of reusable rubber caps for 3 and 5 gallon kind of water cooler, big plastic water jugs. I was sent these to review for free. If you wanted to purchase them, they'd cost you about $9. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinions remain my own. Alright, so this is a 5-pack, and you basically get 5 copies of this cap. And what you have here is a cap that will stretch to fit over the lid of a water jug, and it keeps dust from getting into the water when it's upright. And when you turn it over, it will keep the water from leaking, hopefully. And it has this hole so that when you take the water jug, turn it over, you don't have to do the super fast turn and set down to make it not spill all over the floor. Instead, it'll keep the water in until that little pokey thing in the center of your water cooler pushes that cap up into the jug and then pops out, and then the water flows out. And so when your jug is empty, you can use these 2 ears to pull it off. You can put this cap back in, you can fill up the jug somewhere, put it back on. They say to put it in like this and then fold it over, and it will seal the top of your jug, and so you can reuse it. So these are designed for kind of your standard size jugs, and they are approximately, when unstretched, about 2 inches here. So they're designed to, they have a taper, and so they're designed where you basically roll them over the top of the jug like that to snap them on in place. Now they only go on to the top of the jug maybe an inch here, like 0.83, 0.9, so they don't go super far down the neck. Let's give them a try and shake a jug upside down and see if any water comes out. Alright, this is a 5-gallon purified water container, and it has a little sticker that says lift here, and it's stuck on there quite well, so I'm get some fingernails in the game there. I'm actually ripping the sticker a little more than lifting, but here we go. Alright, so we lift that guy up, and there is a piece of kind of a, I would say kind of styrofoamy looking bottle top seal in here. Alright, so this is a used water bottle, and it has the little seal that is pushed in. Now this guy does have a kind of pull tab, and so it looks like you can rip and pull this green lid off of it, but it definitely takes some effort to do so. Alright, so here is this water bottle. It has kind of a lip. It doesn't have screws or anything. This guy here we can put like that and pull down over the lip there. And that looks like it's going to seal pretty well. Now to test it, I really have to fill this up with water and then put this down on it. And it has this guy so that when you put it down into a water cooler, the post that comes up will push this open and the water can come out through that post. Alright, we're going to do this test outside, just in case. So we got this thing full of water. So it holds at least for several shakes. I mean, most of the time you just leave this guy here, so it's just keeping dust and bugs from getting in. But it will certainly hold while you lift it up, turn it over, and put it into your water dispenser.